Are you getting ready for your U.S. citizenship interview? Nervous about what to expect? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll watch a realistic mock interview, covering every part of the N-400 naturalization process, including personal questions, English reading and writing, civics test, and tips for what to say and what not to say. This is a complete walkthrough based on real USCIS interviews, so you can feel confident and fully prepared for the big day. So watch till the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more real interview samples and U.S. citizenship tips. Let's begin the mock interview. Daniel Romero?
Yes, that's me.
Good afternoon. My name is Katarzyna, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. It's a pleasure to meet you.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Please follow me.
Okay.
You may place your belongings on the table and remain standing. Before we begin, I'll need to place you under oath. Could you please raise your right hand?
Sure.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You may put your hand down and have a seat.
Thank you.
Do you understand what you just promised?
Yes, I promise to tell the truth.
Very good. And do you understand what it means to take an oath?
Yes, it's a public promise to be truthful.
Okay. Did you come here voluntarily today?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
Okay. Do you know why you are here today?
Yes, I'm here for my U.S. citizenship interview.
Do you have any physical or mental conditions that prevent you from understanding or answering the questions in the naturalization interview?
No, I do not.
Do you feel well prepared for your interview today?
Yes, I do.
Good. Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since you submitted your application. All right.
Okay.
How's the weather today?
It's very nice, bright and sunny.
How did you come here today?
My friend drove me here.
Did you have any trouble finding our location?
No, it was quite easy.
How is the traffic?
Not too bad, about the same as usual.
Do you have any questions before we begin?
No, thank you.
All right. How long did you wait before I called you in?
Not too long, about 35 minutes.
If you don't understand a question, please don't hesitate to ask me to repeat or explain it. Is that okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Would you like to use the restroom before we begin?
No, I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Are you ready to begin your interview?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. What is your height and weight?
I am 5 feet 11 inches tall and weigh 175 pounds.
What color are your eyes and hair?
My eyes are brown, and my hair is black.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, my friends sometimes call me Danny.
Have you ever legally changed your name?
No, I have never legally changed my name.
Can you tell me why you want to become a U.S. citizen?
I want to become a U.S. citizen because I believe in the values of democracy, freedom, and opportunity that the United States represents. I'm also excited about having the right to vote in elections.
What does being a U.S. citizen mean to you personally?
It means having a voice in the country's future, being an active part of society, and ensuring a secure and stable future for my family.
Good. Where were you born?
I was born in Córdoba, Argentina.
What is your country of nationality?
My nationality is Argentine.
What is your full legal name?
My full legal name is Daniel Romero.
Have you ever used any other names?
Yes, I used the name Daniel Javier Romero, which is my birth name.
Is that the name on your green card?
Yes, the name on my green card is Daniel J. Romero.
Would you like to legally change your name?
No, I want to keep my current name.
What are your parents' names?
My father's name is Ricardo Romero, and my mother's name is Laura Romero.
Where do they live?
They both live in Córdoba, Argentina.
Are they U.S. citizens?
No, they are not U.S. citizens.
What is your religion?
I am Catholic.
What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is September 14, 1988.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I have an Ohio driver's license, number OH982345667, which will expire in September 2029.
Do you have a social security number?
Yes, my social security number is 529846721.
When did you become a permanent resident?
I became a permanent resident on April 3, 2019.
What is your alien registration number?
My alien registration number is A612894-357.
When did you come to the United States?
I first came to the United States on January 12, 2017.
Where did you enter?
I entered through Miami International Airport.
Okay. What type of visa did you have when you entered?
I entered with an EB-3 job visa.
Okay. What is your current marital status?
I am married.
When did you get married?
I got married on June 10, 2018.
What is your spouse's full name?
My wife's full name is Sofia Romero.
When and where was she born?
She was born on January 5, 1991, in Rosario, Argentina.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she became a U.S. citizen on October 20, 2024.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one child.
What is your child's name and date of birth?
Her name is Isabella Romero, born on May 30, 2019, in Chicago, Illinois.
Is your child a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she is a U.S. citizen by birth.
Okay. Where do you work?
I work at Summit Engineering Group.
What is your job title?
I am a civil engineer.
How long have you worked there?
I have been working there since February 2020.
What is your office address?
The office is at 300 Innovation Parkway, Suite 210, Columbus, Ohio, 43215.
Where did you work before this job?
Before this, I worked at Cordoba Infrastructure Limited in Argentina as a project engineer.
Okay. Are you a member of any organizations?
Yes, I am a member of the Latin American Engineers Association in Ohio.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 614-555-2379.
What is your email address?
My email address is daniel.romero88@gmail.com.
Okay. Where do you currently live?
I live at 452 Oakwood Drive, Apartment 7C, Columbus, Ohio, zip code 43215.
How long have you lived there?
I have lived there since August 2022.
Do you rent or own your home?
We rent the apartment.
Who lives with you?
I live with my wife and our daughter.
What was your previous address?
My previous address was 119 Westfield Avenue, Apartment 2A, Chicago, Illinois, zip code 60616.
How long did you live there?
I lived there from May 2016 to July 2022.
Have you ever failed to pay your taxes?
No. I have always paid my taxes.
Can you please show me your tax return?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever lied to get public benefits?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, never.
Have you ever given false papers to U.S. officials?
No, never.
Since becoming a permanent resident, have you left the United States?
Yes, I have traveled abroad 4 times in the last 5 years.
Can you tell me about those trips?
Yes. My first trip was to Argentina, which was from February 8th to February 22nd, 2021. My second trip was to Spain, which was from July 14th to July 25th, 2022. My third trip was to Brazil, from November 10th to November 20th, 2023. My last trip was to Argentina, which was from March 5th to March 18th, 2024.
Did any of your trips last more than 6 months?
No, none lasted for more than 6 months.
Do you have citizenship in any other country?
No, only Argentina.
Have you ever been denied a visa or entry to another country?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been deported or denied entry to the United States?
No.
Did you always use your green card to re-enter the U.S.?
Yes, always.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes, I have an Argentine passport, issued on June 1st, 2021, valid until June 2031.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
Absolutely not.
How many total days did you spend outside the U.S. in the past 5 years?
Approximately 50 days in total.
Have you ever overstayed outside the United States?
No, I haven't.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No.
Have you ever given false or misleading information to any U.S. government official while applying for an immigration benefit or any other official matter?
No. I've always been truthful.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever helped someone commit fraud or misrepresentation in any official process?
No.
Have you ever committed any crime in the U.S. or abroad?
No.
Do you owe any debts to the government, like student loans or federal fines?
No.
Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No, never.
Have you ever received a ticket or fine?
Yes, a speeding ticket in 2023, which I paid.
Do you obey U.S. laws?
Yes, always.
Do you file your taxes every year?
Yes, jointly with my wife.
Are you a member of any clubs or organizations?
Yes, the Latin American Engineers Association.
Now we'll move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'll ask you up to 10 questions, and you need to answer at least 6 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Okay. Please listen carefully to each question. Name one right only for United States citizens.
Vote in a federal election.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
Who did the United States fight in World War II?
Japan, Germany, and Italy.
What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution?
The Bill of Rights.
What does the Constitution do?
Sets up the government.
When must all men register for the Selective Service?
At age 18.
What is freedom of religion?
You can practice any religion, or not practice a religion.
How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
Great. You have passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Now we will discuss some complex situations to assess your moral character and attachment to the U.S. Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No, never.
Have you ever had a family member visit you from abroad for an extended period?
No, officer.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone legally immigrate to the U.S.?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Do you have any reservations about the oath?
No.
Now, I will go through your N-400 application to verify everything is correct. And you filled up your application by fully understanding. Now I'll carefully review your N-400 application to ensure all information is accurate. And you've also filled it out thoroughly understanding all the requirements and instructions. Now I am going to ask you some questions about your background, organizations, and personal history to know your moral character. These questions are very important because they help us determine your eligibility for U.S. citizenship. It is important that you answer honestly. Some of these questions may be about crimes, taxes, or organizations. Even if your answer is yes, it does not always mean you cannot become a citizen, but I need you to tell the truth. Remember, you are under oath. So, everything you say must be true. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
If you don't understand a question, please let me know, and I'll explain that. Okay?
Okay.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No. I have never been in jail or prison.
Have you ever received weapons or military training? What is weapons training?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No, never.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No.
Have you ever supported a group using weapons or explosives?
No, never.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No, I haven't.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever taken part in genocide?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever forced sexual activity on anyone?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped a group that used weapons?
No.
Have you ever been convicted of a crime or offense?
No. I have never been convicted of a crime or offense.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No.
Have you ever advocated the overthrow of any government in anywhere in the world by force or violence?
No, officer.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No, officer.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No. I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No, never.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, I will.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, I don't.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Do you understand the oath of allegiance?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
What is oath of allegiance?
Promise to be loyal to U.S.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to take the oath of allegiance?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
If required, will you do non-combatant services in the military?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship. Do you have any questions for me?
Thank you, officer.
Now, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
What country is to the north of the United States?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. Canada is to the north of the United States. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you, officer.
Let's go over a few questions to know about your moral character. These questions are very important. So, everything you say must be true. Have you ever failed to support your children or spouse financially?
No. I always provide support.
Have you ever been involved in any civil lawsuits or legal disputes?
No.
Have you ever intentionally avoided paying debts or financial obligations?
No, never.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No.
Have you ever been called for jury duty?
Not yet.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No, officer.
Have you ever acted as a guarantor for anyone who violated U.S. laws?
No, never.
Have you ever used false documents for employment, school, or immigration purposes?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever lied on any immigration application?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the United States?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Have you ever arrested in your home country or any other country outside the United States?
No, never.
Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen? Paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that after taking the oath, you will become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Do you consider yourself a responsible and law-abiding person?
Yes, I do.
Do you respect and obey the laws of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand your new rights and responsibilities?
Yes, to vote, obey the law, pay taxes, and serve the community.
Do you understand that good moral character is required to become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I understand.
Are you willing to give up allegiance to all other countries, including Argentina?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Congratulations! You have completed your citizenship interview. Here's a copy of your test results.
Thank you.
I will submit your application for approval after proper verification. And we'll email you with details regarding your naturalization ceremony. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't. Thank you again.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Same to you. Good day.
Thank you.